Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the PEPE update today. So on Discord, do check the comment section for invitation link on Discord. So I did made a one freebie call on the sorry, not the private, but on the Discord at the moment. And this right over here, when I was posting about PEPE, I actually said cancel PEPE. This was yesterday call. Okay, so PEPE did made a little bit of a pump yesterday, if you may remember, and then I canceled it. Some few people are laughing about it, some are sad about it, some are crying about it, that why did you cancel? Oh no, we need the profit. But canceling as a trader is important, man. You can always have a bad view, just cancel it, not a big deal. Never ever have an ego. Now the thing is that the reason of canceling is, of course, there were some few resistances that I saw right here, and I'd actually just got to know using TA that, okay, this is not a good idea. Now the head and shoulder is still being maintained at the moment. Okay, this is the head and shoulders, and for me the head and shoulders, if it does actually end up, as I said before, if you do touch down 6811, you're sitting at 7103, then you may be looking forward to take the trend line from top to bottom right there, and this can actually take you all the way down to nearly a price of 4742. And I actually expect PEPE to really literally come down here in the next 13 days. So that's all for the quick update, and check the comment section again for the Discord invitation, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.